Hey, class of 2023. In order to assist you with your course requests for junior year, we'd like to take a few moments to discuss required courses and review four-year college admission requirements. While you are determining what courses to select for your junior year, please use the catalog for descriptions, prerequisites, and other helpful information. The electronic catalog has been included in the Google Classroom and on our CVHS counseling webpage under Register for Classes. We'd encourage all students to discuss their options with guardians, teachers, and/or their counselors. Once you have made your course selections, we suggest that you write them down on the attached planning sheet or any other piece of paper, as you'll need to enter this information into both PowerSchool and a Google survey form. So let's start by looking at the Language Arts department. Juniors have many options to meet their language arts requirement. Most juniors will take American Literature, and some may want to take AP English Language and Composition. Other options include Contemporary English or Language Arts and Technical Literacy. Please carefully review the catalog to make your selection. So now let's look at math. 3 credits of math are required for graduation. All students must pass Algebra 1 and Geometry. Algebra 2 is required for students who are planning to go to a four-year university directly out of high school, and it's recommended for any student planning to attend a 2-year college after high school. Algebra 2 is not required for graduation, but please refer to your course catalog to see what other courses can fulfill that requirement. We'd also highly encourage you to talk to your current math teacher regarding recommendations for the next appropriate math course based on your skill level. Now let's look at science. For the class of 2023, 3 credits of science are required for graduation. We have many courses that can satisfy that requirement, so please refer to your catalog for all available options. Most four-year universities will require an Algebra 2-based science course for admission. CV classes that will meet this requirement for most universities are Chemistry, Physics, AP Environmental Science, or Medical Interventions. It's highly encouraged to begin researching specific universities to look at their specific requirements. Next, let's discuss social studies options for juniors. Most juniors will take U.S. History, and some may want to take AP U.S. History. If you've already taken AP U.S. History but have not yet met the World History requirement, you will need to do that by either taking World History, AP World History, or AP European History. Next, let's discuss elective options. These options can be filled in the following areas: World Language, CTE, Fine Arts, PE, or additional electives. For example, if your plan is to attend a four-year university, you may need to either start your World Language course or finish the 2nd or maybe 3rd year of that language. As a different example, if your career pathway is in the field of business and marketing, you may want to take advanced marketing or accounting. Other students may want to complete the requirements in PE, Fine Arts, or choose another elective. Please refer to the catalog for more information. So now let's discuss four-year college admissions requirements. For most four-year universities, you will need to complete 4 years of language arts, 3 years of math, although 4 years is highly recommended, 3 years of science, including an Algebra 2-based course, 3 years of social studies, and at least 2 years of the same world language. Remember, it's very important to check with individual universities to verify their different admission requirements. So now let's discuss course alternates. When planning for next year, please make note of about 3 to 4 courses you would be willing to take if you do not get into your top choices, particularly for electives. Unfortunately, you'll not be able to put this information into PowerSchool, so it's very important that you have a list of options that you will give us on the Google survey form. Next, let's discuss other programs that some students may opt to take courses through. Central Valley Virtual Learning, or CVVL, is our district's online learning program. It is not a full-day option, so students generally take 1 to 2 classes in place of 1 to 2 classes at CV. If you opt to take a CVVL course as a 7th period, please remember there will be a charge for that course. But If you take a CVVL course as a part of your 6-period day, there will be no charge. If you're interested in taking an online course through CVVL, you must complete their registration form and then have that form signed by your counselor. Spokane Valley Tech, New Tech, Running Start are just some of the other options available beginning in 11th grade. Spokane Valley Tech and New Tech are programs that you will attend for 3 periods of your school day. You must register with Spokane Valley Tech or New Tech by completing their registration forms online. Running Start is a program where high school students attend classes at either Spokane Community College, Spokane Falls Community College, or Eastern Washington University, where you'll earn both high school and college credit. This program does require an application process, and more information can be found on our counseling webpage. If you are planning on attending any of these 3 programs, you must complete course requests for CV classes, and your counselor will later work with you to adjust your schedule after you've completed the application and been accepted to one of those programs. Please remember that all online course requests need to be completed in PowerSchool by March 3rd. You also need to remember to complete the Google survey form, so we will have a list of your alternate choices. This is located in the new Google Classroom for the class of 2023. Remember, we're here to help, so please don't hesitate to reach out to your counselor.